Welcome to Study Loop.
So here we can draw a diagram of the situation or the system in this case. So we can say that going straight up would be the velocity of the boat relative to the shore. And this would be going up. Going at an angle would be the velocity of the boat relative to the water. And then going straight to the left would be the velocity of the water relative to the shore. So in order to find the velocity of the boat relative to the shore, this would be equal to the velocity of the boat relative to the water multiplied by cosine of theta. So this would be velocity of the boat relative to the shore would be equal to 1.85 meters per second multiplied by cosine of 40.4 degrees. And we find that this is equaling 1.41 meters per second. That is our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.